channel, so I am going to do a unpackaging. This is from Ruby Loves, aka used to be Pantyprops. Pantyprops. Changing their name. I guess I've had my Pantyprops for about a year and a half, maybe 2 years, somewhere around in there, and I hated my pants. But I wanted to try their underwear, try to give it a try, see what I thought about it. So, ordered some of their underwear, and I think I had a coupon code. Free sanitary pads. These will be given to someone else. Sanitary pads. $5 off when you visit is on here. Here's what it looks like. I don't want to give y'all my code in case I want to order something else. Here it is. Alright. And then here is, okay, these are so much cuter than what they used to be though. So here it is, what it looks like. Alright. I only think I only got one, yeah, I only got one pair. And same thing, they do the same thing. So I'm going to have to buy one of their pads. When I bought my pants, they looked funny in the front, so I ended up not wearing them as much and I don't like this whole scenario, so I'll be using a reusable pad in these. Anyway, so you're able to see how much it covers. That's how much it covers. So where the seam is, and you can see in the back what the seam is. So it doesn't really have a full coverage, but these were one of the cheapest underwear that you can get. So I may use that $5 off to get one of their pads to use for it, and see how that works. And I'll probably keep this box, keep that underwear in, because I think it's really cute. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos. If you didn't know, Ruby Loves, aka Pantyprop, is a reusable underwear / whatever company, whatever. So, and they have a new little logo as well. Anyway, I'm going to try a whole bunch of these products also out. So if you want to check out this versus Anigan versus the Thanks underwear versus some other like Dear Kate's, stuff like that, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and wait for those videos to come out. Alright, bye you guys.